Email marketing is integral to the success of any business. But as you grow, automation can up your game by standardizing customer journeys and automating workflows. Benchmark Email is an online email marketing platform that provides email design, automation, and other tools to help businesses of all sizes manage and send marketing emails. It is an email marketing company that prioritizes user reputation and deliverability. The software offers a user-friendly interface and customizable forms for audience growth. Users can also set up automated welcome series and drip campaigns to engage subscribers effectively. Benchmark helps businesses increase sales by offering access to artificial intelligence, AI, landing pages, automation, e-commerce solutions, and dozens of automations to boost email marketing campaigns. With dozens of email templates, users need zero technical knowledge to get things done with Benchmark Email. Benchmark Email includes helpful email automation features, responsive templates, and an easy-to-use email editor to make your campaigns more efficient and effective. In addition to its free forever plan, Benchmark offers paid plans at different price tiers that are affordable for most small and mid-sized businesses. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this email marketing tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Benchmark Email review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Benchmark Email. What does Benchmark Email really do? Benchmark is an email marketing tool designed to help you generate more conversions and improve the ROI of your email marketing campaigns. The drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to build emails by moving both content and visual blocks around. All changes you make to the email template are displayed in real time, allowing you to preview what your email will look like as you work on it. Benchmark's emails use responsive design, which means your emails are automatically optimized for any device you're reading them on. Benchmark offers an integrated, automated, and robust feature and connects to over 1,500 platforms like Zapier, Shopify, Zoho, SurveyMonkey, LinkedIn, Heatmaps, and much more. Benchmark also includes image editing capabilities in its email editor, so you can add effects, stickers, and messages with a range of different fonts. It offers social media features as well as list management functionality, while enabling you to track the success of your campaigns and produce data based on these metrics. Benchmark Email helps marketers maximize their list's potential by quickly and easily nurturing customer relationships that lead to business growth. Benefits and key features of Benchmark Email. 1. Email templates. Benchmark has lots of free email templates for all types of industries. You can quickly preview any email template in detail by hovering over it. There are also templates for specific tools like eBay, Etsy, and SurveyMonkey. Once you connect any of them with Benchmark, these email templates instantly become available. 2. Premium email automation capabilities. With Benchmark, you'll be able to choose a pre-built automation workflow or build your own set of customized automated messages with the no-code automation editor. The entire automation process is visual, so you can easily understand what your customers will see. 3. Benchmark Email Editor. You can drag and drop pre-made blocks like image card and image groups from the left side of the screen into your email. It will make the combo of elements for you, so you don't need to think about how to put these together. 4. Benchmark Artificial Intelligence, AI, Smart Content. You can quickly generate fresh email copy to fuel your email campaigns with the help of Benchmark Smart Content, an email copywriting artificial intelligence, AI. Smart Content can also help you get a fresh take on evergreen topics or edit an existing email value proposition. 5. Benchmark Landing Pages. With Benchmark, you can design customized landing pages with calls to action to encourage blog visitors to perform a particular action. Benchmark provides easy-to-build landing page templates that are eye-catching and have better conversion ability. 6. Spam check and send tests. This is to make sure your email gets delivered and looks good. You can send test emails to up to 5 contacts to review your emails. The spam checker then makes sure your email is delivered in the inbox and not the spam folder. 7. Lead generation through Benchmark. Design the user experience you want for your site visitors with pop-up and embeddable sign-up forms. Grab new contacts with a custom sign-up form. Place it on your site, blog, or favorite social network and generate more leads and conversions through Benchmark. 8. Benchmark integration. Benchmark also integrates with plugins such as eBay, Shopify, MailOptin, Zapier, all social media platforms, and much more. You can add other form types to your WordPress site, such as pop-ups or slide-in forms. This can then be used for email automation, creating new campaigns, and much more. 9. Reports and analysis. With Benchmark, you will have detailed reports and make informed decisions based on tracking opens, links clicked, and customer activity in real time. You will also see which emails bounced and how you can improve future campaigns. Benchmark Email's pricing and plans. Benchmark Email's free plan includes up to 500 contacts and up to 3,500 emails per month. However, you won't be able to access other features like email automation, Benchmark landing pages, a spam checker, unlimited contacts, and others unless you are on a paid plan. The Pro plan gives you access to all Benchmark features, including phone support and much more. The Enterprise plan is for large businesses that want Benchmark to manage their email campaigns with their email marketing experts. This requires you to get a quote from Benchmark. Pros: large collection of templates for emails for any industry. It's super easy to create email campaigns. Strong list of cleaning options. Creates artificial intelligence, AI, powered smart content. Simple drag and drop editor. Affordable pricing. Numerous support and integration channels. Cons: unlimited contact is only offered in the Pro and Enterprise plans. Benchmark email customer support. Benchmark's customer support is responsive and friendly. Benchmark also encourages their users to get in touch with them through email, live chat, or a call. Support is available 24/7. Benchmark provides assistance with everything from setup to building a repeatable procedure for contacting your customers. You have access to all the tools you will need to develop flawless email marketing campaigns. Benchmark provides strategies to ensure that any queries you have about using the product are handled explicitly. The free edition includes access to the live chat and help center only. You will, however, need to upgrade to a paid plan to gain access to managed account setup and phone support. Conclusion: Benchmark Email is a productive email marketing platform that provides users with a wide range of tools to help organizations communicate with their contacts and convert them into clients or customers. Benchmark is an excellent native split testing platform with automated list cleaning. This means that email lists can be readily segmented in order to provide recipients with personalized material. The monitoring features of the software also indicate how recipients interact with your emails, allowing users to truly maximize future campaigns. With its user-friendly interface and innovative tools, Benchmark Email aims to provide a seamless and efficient experience for its users. The in-depth statistics provided by Benchmark Email have proven invaluable for tracking subscriber activity, allowing users to monitor email opens and clicks and optimize their campaigns accordingly. The ability to create visually appealing landing pages with lead capture forms has also been a significant advantage for businesses using Benchmark. Benchmark has been shown to be the most effective internet marketing tool for automated workflows at a fair price. You can check the link in the description below to sign up for free trials and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Benchmark Email. If you enjoyed this Benchmark Email review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.